Leadership Connect was the opportunity for our high school students to shadow civic leaders for the day. Our students had the opportunity to see how all of those different organizations work together behind the scenes to really create the beautiful community that they get to experience on a daily basis.
Talk a lot in our school division about the need to help our young people understand career pathways and opportunities once they graduate from school.
She basically just taught me kind of like the ins and outs of what she does. It's not just, child protective services. It's more about getting people benefits, making sure they have housing, getting people off of the streets and helping others.
So much about what goes behind the scenes of parks and recreations.
Today I learned a lot about the importance of connections and how to build relationships. It gave me an experience that I wouldn't have gotten elsewhere.
So I just think we had a new and different perspective of how we could improve and change our system.
Our goal was to really expose our students to the importance of community service, the fact that there are leaders in our community, and to help the leaders in our community better understand the perspective of the students.
This was a fantastic program. Being able to have two high school students show them our operations as the local public transit authority was valuable for me to hear from them. I hope the seeds planted for them to be inspired to work, maybe not directly, but at least be involved in their local community. It is so worth. It's a school day for them, and half a day for us, and you get energized.